This is quite awesome. Like, it was just from during the Halloween in the Metrotown Mall. A little young boy dressed, wearing a big, huge Japanese kind of ramen noodle, instant noodle soup thing for a costume, and then I caught some other little knickknacks in the Metrotown Mall with a little Halloween display. It was quite awesome and fun to share. So, and I had to add in the little miniature train because it was only I cropped the timing was a little way too short, so I extended it back to like almost normal time. Just the audio had to drop out in case, otherwise it's another fun compilation here.